Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. Today, we're unboxing and setting up the Logitech Rugged Folio, a protective keyboard case for the iPad that provides new levels of seamless navigation and creation. So let's get into it. The inside of the box is very Spartan. We get the Folio wrapped in some protective material and this envelope with installation instructions and some user documentation. The Rugged Folio is incredibly tough. It's engineered to exceed military standards of drop protection. This means your iPad is still protected from a drop of up to 6 feet or from a bumpy backpack voyage. The magnetic latch keeps your iPad securely closed. Smart Connector technology powers and connects the keyboard without hassle. The Smart Connector is immediately connected once the iPad is assembled into the case. Then, the keyboard sources the little power it needs directly from the iPad. When the iPad needs to charge, just plug in a charging cable through the opening. On the top row of the Apple OS shortcut keys, new dictation and screenshot shortcut keys extend Apple's improved accessibility features. The permanently attached keyboard is pluck-proof and spill-proof, sealed to protect against dirt, crumbs, and accidental spills. The keyboard delivers a comfortable, silent typing experience that is also a distraction-free experience for people around you. It adjusts to 4 different modes: type mode, view mode, sketch mode, and read mode. For type mode, fold the keyboard down, extend the kickstand, and type away. For view mode, fold back the keyboard behind the iPad, and now you can watch content comfortably. For sketch mode, pull the kickstand all the way out until the iPad screen is at a comfortable angle. This is great for sketching and taking handwritten notes with Logitech Crayon. For read mode, close the kickstand and fold the keyboard behind the iPad. That way you can comfortably read books and articles. The extra large asset window on the back gives you plenty of room to add asset tags or anything you can think of so it's visible at a glance. The Rugged Folio is designed with a new polyurethane material that is more fray and stain resistant and provides an easy to clean, wipeable surface. Make sure to spray your cleaner onto a cloth and then wipe away dirt and grime. Avoid using bleach or an oversaturated cloth. Setup for the Folio is easier and quicker than ever. It takes less than 30 seconds to assemble and only 5 seconds to disassemble, so let's assemble it. Start by folding out the kickstand to make the case a bit more flexible and flip the latch to the back so that it stays out of the way. After that, we'll make sure that the power button is aligned with the left of the device, and then we'll insert the lower 2 corners. We'll press until the bottom of the device is seated, and then we'll work our way up the right and left sides, folding the case over, and then we'll snap in the top left corner, snap the top right corner, and the device is installed. If you like, you can store your Logitech Crayon in the holder or in the magnetic latch. Now, it's securely installed. Disassembly is easy and quick. Go ahead and firmly press the top left of the case away from the iPad until that corner pops free, and then work your way across the top to the top right of the case, pressing the iPad out until it pops free. And after that, you can pull the iPad away, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful in introducing you to the Rugged Folio, as well as installing and removing the iPad. If you have any other questions or concerns about your product, please feel free to reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.